I meant Jack needs you in the kitchen.
What's up?
Update on the DA.
I talked to Tara. I told you my family is off limits.
I just wanted to hear her side.
Is that why you called her a liar?
What? I didn't call her no.
Said she was a manipulative bitch.
If she told you that, well, then I guess she is. All right, come on.
Jax, come on, break it up!
Stop it!
Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry, Mama. I don't want it to happen like this.
Don't be sorry. She's the reason we're trying to kill each other.
And you got no idea what she's done for you.
I know everything I need to know, Nero.
Oh, yeah?